Hello everyone and welcome to this new tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to verify the email addresses submitted onto the forms using Google Tag Manager, a little bit of JavaScript, and Hunter.io API. So the first thing that you will need is this JavaScript code. This one will be linked down in the description box. And the first thing you need is to copy this entire script. And then if you go to Google Tag Manager, you should just go ahead and create a custom HTML variable. Custom HTML tag, and then just put it there. As you can see, this is something that I've already done. Two things that I want to emphasize is that the first is that you need to replace the email address that you want to verify, and also you need to replace this one with the actual Hunter API key. And the way to get this API key is very simple. So just log into Hunter.io. If you go under settings and then to API, you should be able to copy the API key from here. Okay. So that's pretty much about it. So let's just go ahead and click on preview mode. And let's fill this out really quick. So if we go to Google Tag Manager, we should see that we have a data layer, event, email status, and then if we click here, you should see that we have the status valid and the score is 90. So this API calls actually returns this entire object, and the two that I'm really interested about really are just the status and the score. If you want the whole thing, you can just go ahead and add it as a parameter in the data layer push. Maybe you can just come here and then add data, and then just add data.data, and it's going to return the entire thing. So that's pretty much it about this video. One thing that I want to also talk about is that this is absolutely not the most secure way to do it. In an upcoming video, I'll see if I can do it via Google Tag Manager server side. So that's pretty much it. Let me know if you have any other questions, and thanks for watching.